Today we're doing a fashion photo shoot in Tokyo, Japan. Today's gear is gonna be the 5D Mark IV with my 24-70 lens and my Profoto A1 flash. I forgot to put a card in my camera, as usual. I went to take the picture and nothing happened. If you can't take a picture, that's maybe one of the reasons. Let's do a few test shots. So I have my flash at 2.1 right now. Just a little bit extra light. Looking here. Put your legs a little bit more together. Yeah. I love this look on you. It's really great. Today's model is Yu.
Yeah.
And you are from Germany, but you're half Japanese, half German.
Yeah, exactly.
And now you live in Japan.
Yeah.
You speak fluent Japanese. And your Japanese is really good.
Thank you.
Yeah. And German.
Yeah.
And English.
Yes. French and Spanish, but only a little bit.
So what's that, 5 languages, 5, 6 languages?
Yeah, but all half-assed, so.
Have your hands kind of in front a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Good job. And then, could we please swate kudasai? Let's do one, and then you can have like your leg kind of out. Yeah. I could get used to. I don't even have to do anything. This is great. Well, you guys come to America? America, kimasu ka?
No, one time.
One time?
One time.
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago? What about tomorrow? Ashita? You want to come?
前って何だっけ
Ikimashou? Ashita? Yeah, Ashita. No? Yes? Yes, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Delta. We're doing Delta flight. It's like 167? Okay. 160. Just book that tomorrow. You too. You too. Come. Yeah, come. That'd be so much fun. We shoot in America. Yeah, actually, that's really nice. Yeah, stay right there. Don't move. And looking out this way. Like towards right here. Yeah, right there. Great job. Let the wind go in your hair a bit. And then, you see how you're like kneeling in a little? And looking here? Yeah, looking towards me. Great job. Good posing. Yeah, actually stay right there. I'm gonna have to sit down for this. Lift your body a little bit more up. Yeah. Looking here. And then walk to my lens, up to my lens. Yeah, those are great. Love those. Good job. Those are awesome. Come even closer. Yeah, stay right there. Hold on. Okay, let's go to another location. You're doing great. You're doing great.
Thank you so much.
How many times did you come to Japan?
Like 9 times.
9 times?
9 times.
Oh, so many.
Kyukai.
Kyukai.
I like this too.
We could, yeah, let's do here. I want to do some shots here. I love that you're like helping me pick locations. Okay. Yeah, maybe we can have you start like right here.
Yeah. Like stand on top or
Yeah,
sit?
like sitting. Yeah, go ahead. Watch your hand. Don't push too much on it. Yeah, maybe just have it like lean back. Yeah, those are great. Stay right there. I always feel like the police are just gonna come and like take me away. Do you ever get in trouble because you're shooting? Yeah? Literally, my backpack is in my own shop. Those are great. Looking here? Great job. Is that okay that you're wearing shorts under?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Okay, good. Actually, I would like something more. Let's walk a little bit. Let's walk over here. Oh, like something like this right here. Okay, that's nice. It's all about just walking around and finding the best location possible. There was this one restaurant that I really want to shoot at. It has, Akira knows what I'm talking about. It's the red, it's like this restaurant with like the red. Yeah, with the red lanterns. 1000% we have to shoot. If we don't shoot there by the end of this video, this would have been a fail. This would have been unsuccessful. Yeah, those are great. Stay right there. Hold on. Could you go back to that pose where you did like this? Like this?
Oh, of course.
Yeah. Good job. I thought you were someone to stop me from taking pictures. How about you do something where you're like putting your leg over like this? Yeah, do like the movement. Let's not have your hand on the, yeah. Yeah, those are great. She's the best. She's the best. Those are great. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, I wanted something like kind of like a movement type of shot. Want more like street side. Let's go back. Let's walk towards there. Can you get kind of like in the middle right here? Yeah. Yeah. Like stand on the curb right here. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah. Yeah, do that one more time. Yeah. Oh, be careful, careful. Yeah, actually stay right there. Okay, let's keep walking. You good? You okay?
Of course, of course.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. This is a cool spot. I like this with the red.
Yes.
Good job. You do so good. Great model. Yeah, like with the flash. Look at with the colors.
Ooh, that's so cool.
Right? With the colors and everything.
That place was
I love it. Yeah, yeah, right. It's just like little tiny areas that you never thought you could shoot there. So far, I'm very happy with the pictures. I'm not gonna lie, finding locations in a spot like this can be kind of stressful. Like sometimes I get anxiety. See, my cat would never do that. My cat would never. Pipsy would never do that. I have no idea what outfit she's changing into. You guys, this is the first photo shoot where I have no idea what's going on. It's just, I'm just the photographer today. I'm literally just pressing the buttons. So the goal is to shoot at this place right here. The only thing is, I hope I just don't get yelled at shooting outside of, I mean, we're on the street, so technically that should be okay, right? But that doesn't stop me from being anxious. I think people think I never get anxious or I never get scared or I never get nervous to shoot somewhere. Trust me, I get anxious like every time. Even if there's like no one on the street. We're gonna try our best and we'll see what happens. I wanna shoot with that location, but I don't think it's gonna match this outfit. That's the problem. By all accounts, I failed the shoot, right? Because I didn't shoot at that spot. Mark my words. One of these days, I'm gonna shoot at that restaurant, the Red Lantern. It was such a cool spot. Is there a redemption in the future? Perhaps, perhaps. All right, so we're walking to the next location and I'll update you guys when we get there. Such a cool spot. Look at how cool she looks just sitting there. Look at that, that's so cool. Very nice area, beautiful, I love this. Today's my last day.
last day?
明日アメリカへ帰ります。はい。I love the color, I love these air conditioners. And I think we can do a lot with this for the last look. アメリカが好きですか？
アメリカ好きです。
ああ、なんで？
なんで？
I'm just curious.
日本人全員好き。日本人全員好きじゃね？
So maybe every Japanese likes US.
Oh, Hawaii? Hawaii?
ニューヨ
New York?
ーク、LA。
LA, Los
Yeah,
Angeles,
yeah, yeah.
アメリカ行
Yeah.
きましたか？
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah, LA.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Did you
わ
服を買いましたか？
No.
No? Couldn't maybe.
He just walking.
Yeah, well,
Just walking.
That's it. It's okay. They have really good thrift shops in LA. Very good thrift stores
なんで？
in LA.
いいなんかドレスショップ。
はいはい。いい服の店 があります。
ね。
Your Japanese is actually so good.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. I'm trying to learn as much as I can. Thank you. Very cool. It kind of adds to it, right? All the bottles and stuff. That's kind of cool. Very cool. Good job. I love all the water bottles rolling around here. It's like, you know those dust balls that like are in the desert? Are in the desert? What are they called? Dust bowls? What is it? Tumbleweeds. Yeah, the tumbleweeds.
Dust ball?
Yeah, the tumbleweeds. Okay. Can you hear the rolling sound in the back?
It's like Japanese tumbleweed.
It's Japanese tumbleweeds, the water bottles. I kind of like how you were sitting when you were doing your makeup. You were sitting.
That one?
Yes, but let's move. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, yeah, like that. But I want your face to show a little bit more. So maybe just move a little bit of the hair. Yeah. That's great. Beautiful. Love the move. Yeah, love those movements. Good job. Looking here now?
To take some more on this? Maybe because maybe I could like stand and
Sure. Yeah, sure. How are your feet? How are your legs? Good? Okay, so switching out my cards. I only brought this many cards for my shoots here. I didn't really shoot that often. Okay. Oh no, this one's full. Okay, these ones. Okay, I have this card. This card is available. I never format my cards for some reason. I just never do. And so this is what happens. I have to look through each and every one just to make sure. Okay, we're just gonna have to shoot on this one. I love it. Hikari wa ii desu.
光はいい。
Hikari wa
Easy
ii
to
desu.
shoot.
The light is perfect.
Perfect.
Gonna have her
Pro photo.
I love pro photo. Maybe we could do even. We'll switch it up. Maybe you can have you here. Looking out this way. Okay, and then let's have you please standing over here. Maybe have your hand even like out like this. Yeah. Love the green. Let's have you like walking. How about you're like walking around here, right? Get like a good action shot, like over here. Good job. Good job. Yes, great, great job. Love that. Good job. Love the movement. Oh, be careful. You okay?
Sorry.
You good?
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
don't
yeah,
say
yeah.
sorry. Are you okay? Okay.
I'm okay.
I don't want you to fall off. Be careful. Let's have you like walking this way, yeah?
Okay.
And I love the movement you're doing with the tie. You can do stuff with the tie too. You're doing great. Very good. Okay. And go. Good job. What could you be doing? Yeah. Maybe.
Or I can put my phone.
Oh, yeah. I like that. That's so cool. Yeah, that's cool. Stay right there. Okay. I think we got it.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect. You did so good. You did
Thank you.
such a good job. Thank you guys so much. Arigatou gozaimashita. You guys did awesome. So awesome. Those ones.
このスタイリングやっぱりめっちゃ良かったですね。
このシャツいいね。
めっちゃいい。
Love the colors. Can you see it?